Good day, sir. My name is Ira Peña Salaya, number 22 in your attendance. So my topic is about criterion reference grading. So criterion reference grading is a method of evaluating students' learning against a set of predetermined criteria rather than comparing their performance to other students. There is a fixed target and the students must achieve the target in order to obtain a passing grade in a course regardless of how the other students in the class perform. So the fixed target in a criterion reference grading system is the focus is on the individual student's ability to meet the required learning objectives or benchmarks for the course. So first is 1 for the excellent. The grade number is 98 to 100 or 85 to 100. Next is 1.5 for good, 88 to 97 or 80 to 84. And the next is 2 for fair, 75 to 87 or 70 to 79. Number 3 or 4 or pass, 65 to 74 or 60 to 69. And the last is 5 or failure, below 65 or below 60. So 1 for excellent is students who score between 98 to 100 or between 85 to 100 fall in this category. This could be an indication that higher scoring students are rated as excellent, but the system also gives a broader excellent range 85 to 100. And the next is 1.5 or good. Students scoring between 88 to 87 or 80 to 84 are considered good. This also seems to give flexibility where students who score a little lower than the highest scores still receive a good rating. And 2 or fair. A fair grade is given to students scoring between 75 to 87 or 70 to 89. This indicates a middle range where students who have a reasonable understanding of the material but may have missed some points fall. And 3, poor or pass. The score range of 65 to 74 or 60 to 69 indicates that these students are passing but with poor performance. In some grading systems, a 3 could be a borderline passing grade. And last is 5 or failure. Scores below 65 or 64 below are considered failures, meaning the student has not demonstrated sufficient understanding of the course material. Criterion reference systems are often used in situations where the teachers are agreed on the meaning of a standard of performance in a subject, but the quality of the student is a note of an event where the work involves student collaboration or teamwork, and where there is no external driving factor such as needing to systematically reduce the fall of eligible students. That's all.